because I think the goal is to reclaim and to reconnect. It's definitely on my path.
I think that um, in lieu of all the BS that we see going on, I do um, believe that black men are holding on tight to the remembrance of family, to the remembrance of understanding that it takes the black man and the black woman to create the black community, and in fact, to create humanity. But now it takes us to now reclaim together the black community, because we understand that, I believe most of us understand that one of the most significant ingredients to black manhood is black womanhood.